In this video, I want to talk about how you can buy silver on Trading 212. Now keep in mind, you can only buy silver as an ETF or as a CFD. These are the only ways to do it on Trading 212. So quickly how you can do this is head over to the market here, search for silver, and once you've searched for it, you will be able to see silver here as a CFD, or you can go to ETFs and you will be able to buy iShares version of it. So the ETF, you can buy it here, or if you come here and you want to do it as a CFD, you can do that if you have a CFD account. So these are the only two ways to do it, guys. Now, once you're in here, you'll just be able to buy or sell. But keep in mind, this is CFD. The other one will be as an ETF. And those are the ways that you can do this. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.